Hi, today on this episode of Dragon Ball Z. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, hi guys, I have here a highly requested video from my Instagram followers and my Facebook followers about how do they clean their makeup brushes and what do I use when I clean my makeup brushes. Well, I usually use dishwashing liquid, which is this right here. But today I seen a video on Facebook probably like a few weeks ago and never acted on it. So I seen a video about this Zote soap. I'm leaning down because I have the camera propped up. It took a while for me to prop it up, so sis, I'm not taking it down, okay? But I'm gonna be doing a video on how to clean the brushes using this soap right here. Now, it is a laundry detergent. It's just in a soap form. It doesn't have like any directions or anything like that. All it says is Zote is a highly laundry soap and can be confidently used for washing your family clothes. Now sis, I'm not using this for no clothes. I am going to be using this to clean my brushes. So I have here 6 of my foundation brushes that I'm going to be demonstrating on the video, but I have tons of brushes, as you guys seen on my thumbnail, that I'm going to be washing. But for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be washing my toughest brushes, which are my foundation brushes. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to be demonstrating how I wash these brushes using that soap, and I'm also going to be doing my beauty blenders, which is these 4 right here. So if you would like to see how I clean these brushes, then keep on watching. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells so good, like literally like spring Irish. Yeah, that's what it's giving me, like spring Irish vibes. But we're gonna get started. I'm gonna lather this with some warm water. This is cold and this is hot. So I'm gonna start by keeping it here. And also I have my brush scrubber thing. It's an brush egg. And I'm just going to be probably taking some of it and lathering it on here. I'm going to be using this as a scrubber as well. It has the word Zote across it. And I'm going to be taking my toughest brush, which is my kabuki brush right here. Well, all of them considered kabuki brushes, but this one, as you guys can see already, is super dirty. So let's just get started. blenders. I was trying to figure out how can I wash these. I seen someone put it in the microwave, but honestly I don't want to cut this up because I want to keep it whole because it's easier for me to clean my brushes that way. So I was thinking about maybe just like rubbing each one here like that, just to get something on it, and then kind of like squeeze it. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. So you guys, I must confess, the Zote did not work for my beauty blenders. I'm pretty sure it's because of, like most people did, they put them in the microwave. But honestly, I just didn't want to do that to my thing. That's how this one got ruined, in the microwave. So I stick to my Ajax, my dish detergent, because it gets them super clean. As you guys can tell, they're pretty clean, and my other ones are already clean. They're downstairs, so I didn't have to clean those, thank God. So as you guys can about tell, the Zote works wonders for my brushes, but not so much for my beauty blenders. But the results, you guys, this is the cleanest my brushes have ever gotten, especially like in the center. There's always foundation left in the center, but there is nothing left. Nothing. Clean, honey. I love it. Especially this one. This one is always a hardest to get clean, to get back pink. But Zote is official. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you've used this soap before, please feel free to comment in the comment section how you like it and how did it work for you. Also, I will be leaving the link for this soap in the description box below. Feel free to like this video. Also subscribe because I will greatly appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.